Welcome to Cognitator, a virtual reality puzzle adventure game directly controlled by your brain. This project is a collaboration between 2D and 3D artists, neuroscientists, and Unity developers working together from across Europe. The game combines two key devices: the g.tec Unicorn Hybrid Black EEG headset and the MetaQuest 3 VR headset. Without controllers, our game is more accessible. By streaming EEG data with the LSL protocol from the Unicorn suite, all data pre-processing and analysis can be performed in Unity. After a successful calibration in Python, our Unity workflow was designed around three types of EEG-based controls. You'll need these powers to guide Puka through a daring escape from her eccentric creator, solving mind-bending puzzles along the way. Thankfully, LumiClick is here to light the way. With her interchangeable light bulbs, she can activate light-sensitive objects and reveal hidden notes from her creator. Help her focus her light by relaxing and increasing your alpha power. Using Welsh method, our system continuously measures alpha band power. When its exponential moving average doubles between baseline and relaxation, a magical in-game event is triggered. Puka isn't just cute, she's got bite. To her pro beta, she can snap wires by clenching your jaw. Our fast detection system guarantees satisfaction. Just make sure to follow the correct order and rotation clues to cut wires safely. This action is triggered when our system detects sharp activity spikes 3 times above the median in the previous second of the EEG signal. Finally, sneak around to find batteries for your friend. And why make Puka use her little mouse hands when she has such big eyes? Just focus on an object to collect it and then use it to solve puzzles thanks to code-modulated visual evoke potentials. Each object flickers at 120 Hz following a 63-frame M sequence. When you focus on the target, your brain produces a distinctive response pattern obtained over 5 stimulus cycles. It is then compared to reference template, recording during the initial 30-cycle calibration to select the object whose pattern best matches your brain signal. Will you help Puka and her friends outsmart the creator and escape the lab?